guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Heavenly and today is a very special day because this is my first video. I'm super duper excited, a little bit nervous, but I hope that you guys love my very first video. So the very first thing that I do is I use this Milk Makeup Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask. And this is actually a roll-on mask. I love this mask so much, you guys. It really works so good. It keeps your skin feeling so amazing. And what I love about it is that it rolls on. So you don't have to sit there and get the face mask all over your hands, especially if you wear nails and it's kind of hard like washing it out of the inside of your nails. So this is my go-to. I take this with me everywhere I go, no matter if I'm staying at someone's house, going somewhere for the weekend. It's definitely a must-have because it can slide right on, wash right off, and it just keeps you with your skin routine in order. Okay, so I'm going to roll this on and show you how I apply this on my face.
Relax.
Okay guys, so I have all of the milk makeup all over my face. Once again, this is the Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask. I literally live by this product. All of my friends always ask me, Heavenly, what do you use on your face? Do you use a mask? Like, what are you doing to your face? And I literally tell them, I live by this mask. Wherever I go, I take it with me. Whether I'm traveling, you know, I'm just going somewhere for the night, I always take this with me. I love it. It really hydrates my skin. I will keep this face mask on for about 20 minutes or so, just so that everything can kind of soak into my pores. And then when I wash it off, my face will be silky smooth. So stay with me. Okay guys, so now I'm getting ready to wash the mask off. I've had it on my face for about 22 minutes or so, and now it's time to come off, and I'm going to show you the next step once I take off the milk makeup mask. So when I take off the hydrating, always make sure that my hands are super clean. So of course you want to wash your hands with antibacterial soap. Wash them really good. Just because you don't want the germs to get on your face. That's a lot too that can cause breakouts. So you always want to make sure your hands are super clean. And to pat my face and kind of just blend in all of the face mask. So once I wipe off the hydrating face mask, I go in and I use this deep cleanser, oil-free cleanser, creamy face mask. I like to save a little bit of money, so honestly, I don't really go by name brands. I just kind of research everything that I purchase and I look at the ingredients, and if it pretty much matches up to something that would be pretty expensive, the cheaper version, because it's pretty much the same product. So this is just like a dupe of Neutrogena Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. And so this is the one that I use, and I just do a little bit in my finger, about this much. And then I just go ahead and put it all over my face. Now that I have this distributed evenly all over my face, I go in and I take my little brush. I love these little brushes. This one is not electronic, and I actually got this one from TJ Maxx in the beauty aisle. I love it because it really gives me that deeper cleanse on my face that I could get more than using my washcloth. So I will show you guys how I do this, and I will take this off. And I tend to go in circular motions, just really trying to get in there and get everything out, all of the dirt, just everything that's on the top layer of your skin. And we're definitely going to go in a little bit deeper on this skin, and I will show you guys that probably in the 4th step, but this is step number 2. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have rinsed off the creamy cleanser. I rinsed off the Milk Makeup Hydrating Mask, so now my face feels really silky smooth, and it's just ready for the next thing. So my step 3, what is this called again? I got off of Amazon. I literally love this thing. It really gives you like that sauna feel, like that you're at a sauna or you're at a facial spot getting your face done. And why pay so much money when you can do this at home? I want to say I paid about $25 or $30 for this. So I will definitely include all of the information below for you guys to see in case you want to order it. But all you do is put natural water in that. So with that being said, do not use your water from the sink. It does come with instructions and tells you specifically to use a certain type of water. And I think just so that it doesn't get clogged up and everything with the impurities that could be in the water. But it heats up within about 2 minutes or so. And then you can do like a full face steam. So I'm going to show you guys. This is just a very calming thing. As you can see now, my face is already starting to sweat, and it's just opening up my pores and just allowing a lot more cleanliness to go on. So once that's done, you're just going to pat your face dry. And now we are ready for step 4, quattro. Oh, so the next thing I do is I do a nice facial oil. I use this coconut balancing, if it will zoom in for you guys. But I use this coconut balancing facial oil. Find these at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. And I got this one for about $8.99. I love it so much. It's been the best thing for my skin. But it comes with the dropper. So I just squeeze a good amount on there. Put it in my hand. And you want to make sure you get everywhere, because that's the main thing to good skin, is making sure that your face is always hydrated. But that also comes from within as well. So just making sure that you consume a lot of water throughout the day, because water is not only good for weight loss, staying full longer, but it's good for glowy skin from the inside out. But once I get the hydrating oil, I always take this little tool today to kind of balance out your skin. And it's a Jade roller. It feels so good. All right, guys, so now that that's done, I'll show you my face up close. And then I always go in and I spray my rose hibiscus. And I also got this from TJ Maxx as well. Definitely check out TJ Maxx's beauty aisle if you've been sleeping on it. They have everything. And I literally just go through and spritz my face. I kind of use a lot. But this is just really good. It's just a soothing facial mist after everything you've done on your face. And I just kind of wave my hands to let it sink into my pores. But this is also really good when you're wanting to do something to just like liven up your face for the day. Say that you are going somewhere with your friends, but you're kind of tired. If you kind of just do a quick little face routine and spritz this all over you, it feels so much better. All right, guys, so that is it. I am finished with my Get Ready With Me skin tutorial. Leave any comments down below if you think there's something else I should have done, or if you guys have any suggestions on how you keep your skin glowy. This is what works for me, and I love it so far. It keeps my skin intact. It keeps me feeling fresh and good. But also just make sure you guys drink a lot of water because it's good for your skin to be glowy from the inside out. But yeah, can't wait to see you guys next time, and leave me some suggestions below on what you think that you want to see from me next. Bye.